Hello students, today we are going to study science class 5 and we are going to deal with chapter number 3, that is food and health. So this is the second video of this very chapter, and please turn to page number 24. Okay, so in this very chapter we are dealing with the different types of nutrients and how these nutrients are very important for us, and from which food item we get what kind of nutrients. Okay, carbohydrate, fat, vitamin, minerals, proteins, these all are the nutrients. Now come to the first line, that is fats and carbohydrates both give energy. It means fat and carbohydrate, these two nutrients provide us energy, and from that energy you can perform different kind of physical activities or work, and they are called energy giving food. Okay, this fat and carbohydrates are known as the energy giving food because they give us energy. Now proteins are called growth food or bodybuilding food. So the growth of your body is dependent on proteins. So proteins are known as the bodybuilding food. Okay, you increase in your height, weight. Okay, these are all happening because of the protein. If you take proper proteins, then your growth will be very nice. Okay. Now vitamins and minerals are called protective food because they protect our body from various diseases. So these vitamins and minerals are called protective food. They protect us from different kind of infections, bacteria, okay, diseases. So they are known as a protective food because they are protecting us, saving us. Now some important vitamins are vitamin A, B, C, D, E and K. So these vitamins, these are the varieties of the vitamins. These are different types of vitamins. Okay, A, B, C, D, E and K. Some important minerals are iron, potassium, calcium and iodine, and these are the names of some of the minerals. Okay, fine. Here above in the figure you can see now energy giving foods. So you can see sugar is there, berry is there, potato is there, nuts is there, okay, bread is there, almonds are there. From these very food you are getting energy. Now what are the bodybuilding foods? Here you can see chicken, fish, egg, cheese, butter, milk. From these very food items you get proteins. Here you can see green vegetables, fruits, different type of dal, grams, rajma. From these very food items what you get? You just attain immunity so that your body can fight against different types of infections and save you from getting sick. So if you want to remain healthy at this time when corona has widespread influence, you can have protective food. You should eat lots of green vegetables, fruits that will help you out to fight against corona or any other diseases. Now, fat zone. Vitamin C is essential for humans but not cows, as they can produce it in their body. So we human beings need to take calcium, okay, vitamin C, but cow doesn't need so because they can produce it in their body itself. And calcium intake of proper calcium, vitamin C is very intake of vitamin C is very important because they help to increase the strength of our bones. Then you won't suffer from paining of legs, hands. Okay, so you should take vitamin C rich food, and especially at this time you should try to have foods that is rich in vitamin C that will help you out to fight against corona. Okay, you should take a lots of lemons. Now next heading is fiber or roughage. So these help food and water to move easily through the digestive system. So they are helping they are helping out in the carrier, transport or passage of food and water throughout our body. They are a great helpers of our digestive system. Okay. Sources are fruits and vegetables, whole grains, bread, cereals, beans, etc. And the sources of getting these fibers and roughage are vegetables, fruits. Okay, from these very sources we get fibers or roughage. They do not provide us any kind of energy, or they don't help us to protect our body or help in the growth of the body. They only help in the proper digestion of our food and passage of food and water throughout our body. Actually they are helping out in the smooth running of the food and water throughout the body parts. Okay, now water. Water is an important component of our body. Almost 2/3 of our body is made up of water. So water is very important part of our body. 2/3 portion of our body is just made up of water. Okay, our water is very important for us, and we should try to intake maximum amount of water so that the different body functions can occur smoothly. Now, water helps all systems in the body to function properly. Okay, and this is a medium through which nutrients are carried to various parts of our body, and waste is removed through sweat and urine. So water is very important, okay, because it helps in the proper functioning of our body, proper digestion of food, proper patches of food from one part of body to different parts of our body, and proper functioning of different organs of our systems, body. And they are also a medium of carrying food, nutrients throughout our body. Okay, so that the various part of our body, whatever they need, whatever food they need, whatever amount of energy they need, it can be provided to them. And this can happen only when water act as a carrier, so that water can transport it to the different parts of our body. And whatever waste is being produced is also carried out by water, and just it is given to dumped into the excretory system for further excretion process. Okay, now come to page number 25. Now another point, it also helps in temperature regulation. Okay, our body system actually the function of our body is carried out by different systems, and there one of the important factor is temperature regulation. Okay, temperature of our body, now when you have fever, you just measure your temperature. Okay, so this regulation of temperature, the proper regulation of temperature of our body is maintained by water. We should drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. I told you now, you should drink lots of water, and at least you should have 6 to 8 glasses of water. You are supposed to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. Okay, roughage and water are not nutrients, but it is important to include in our diet to stay healthy. So water and roughage, they are not providing us energy or proteins or nothing. Okay, they are just helping in the proper functioning of the different parts of our body. They are not providing us any energy or any nutrition, okay, any kind of nutrient. They are they are helping out in maintaining the good health. But this roughage and water both are very important for in our diet. Okay, they should be included in diet. They are indispensable part of our diet. Just come to page number 24. There is one food pyramid. Okay, here you can see, okay, how in maximum amount, what is the food that you should have in the maximum amount. Whole grains, okay, bread, chapatis, these you should have in a maximum amount. And then you are supposed to eat a lot of green vegetables, then fruits, then milk, chicken. Okay, you don't need to take it in a very, very huge quantity. Okay, and then ultimately ghee, butter, cheese. Okay, so as the level is this pyramid showing what we should take maximum and what we should take least, but all these are important in food pyramid. Whatever you are saying, these all are important, but to take them in a proper amount is also important. So whatever food item that is given at the lowest position, that you have to supposed to take in a huge quantity, and the topper one you are supposed to take it in the least amount. Okay, clear everyone? Now the homework is in from page number 24 and page number 25. Whatever important points that I have underlined, you are supposed to write and learn it. And secondly, in your copy itself, you are supposed to make this food pyramid and this different food items: energy giving food, bodybuilding food, protective food. Okay, in the white side of your copy, you're supposed to make this food items: energy giving food, protective food, bodybuilding food, and on the other page you're supposed to make the food pyramid. That will be your homework for today. Okay, and just write all the important points in your copy and try to learn it out. Okay, fine. Thank you.